Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sky Kid Art, and I'm so glad to finally come online to tell you guys that I'm sorry for not posting video for the past 2 weeks. I'm sorry because I was working on something, and I was still working on myself still, because I'm trying to bring something new into the channel, because I'm trying to improve my own skills still. But if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, so that anytime I post a video. So let me just say, if you want to be in the community of art, of illustration, digital painting of a thing, then just hit the subscribe button. Then yeah, so for my followers for my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for keep on clicking the subscribing button. So I really appreciate that. So in this video, I'm gonna do a digital painting on Procreate. So I'm not using Photoshop for now, but I'm using Procreate for now. So I'm gonna post a video on Procreate, but it's still the same knowledge you have on Photoshop. You can still use it on Procreate still. So yeah, so just watch this video. I just want you guys to watch the video, not just for entertainment. Just entertain yourself. Just look what I did on I know the video is very fast because it's Procreate fasting video. So before further ado, let's just go in and let me show you. Let's just watch the video together. So yeah, thank you guys. See you guys next Friday. Stay. Thank you.
Yo, man, I love this bit. Flow's good, you know. I'm glad I found it. Doesn't make you ungrateful, doesn't make you unfaithful. That's what I heard. Now look, I don't sleep, that ain't me, that just don't define me. Try prolific, greatness, really glad you found me. And reaching famous, but time is gonna tell us something. You listen, get a book and pen to do some giants. My family not wealthy, I won't lie to you. But growing up, I never knew, cause mama made everything happen, dude. And my daddy too. Used to say nobody got your back the way you do. Rest is Z, Captain, your baby missing you. Can't wait to win those awards and dedicate to you. I'm proud to get your wife a Benz or BMW. I make you out of offsprings the coolest kids in school. And yeah, I know it's soon. First video went the gram, 12,000 views. Hit my lines just to tell me you talented dude. Fuck, can't you see the clue? If it's not 21, it's 2022. Remember making music to impress beaches. They wouldn't even download or share the link, Jesus. Now the mind switches. Get a name, live long, grant my mom's wishes. I know you know that I got potentials, so please do support. It's too simple. I see it alive, feel like it's 2 tunnels. Link in my bio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Over again to get more.
thank you guys for watching this video up to now. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Friday. I promise to upload a video. Yeah, so stay tuned with me, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching.